Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn some rules of tajweed. Especially we will understand what is izhar, and we will know the letters of throat, الحروف الحلقية, and we will understand why they are called الحروف الحلقية. الحروف الحلقية, they are called the letters of throat because there are 6 letters and they all come from throat. They are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. So when these letters will come after tanween or noon sakin, then we will pronounce the sound of noon sakin and tanween clearly. For example, here is faman aslama. So noon sakin, and after noon sakin is hamza, and hamza is from al-huruf al-halaqiyya, from the letters of throat. So we will pronounce noon sakin clearly, and we will recite faman aslama, and same like hasidin idha hasad. Here tanween is followed by the letters of throat, this hamza. So when after tanween or noon sakin there will be any letter from the letters of throat, from the letter of al-huruf al-halaqiyyat, so we will pronounce noon sakin or tanween clearly. Hasidin idha hasad, and same here salamun hiya. So this is tanween. After tanween there is ha, and ha is from the letters of throat, so we will pronounce tanween clearly. So salamun hiya hatta. So in the Holy Quran we will see at many places the rules of izhar will be there. For example, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره Here after tanween is kha, ذرة خيرا يره. So we will pronounce the sound of noon tanween clearly, because after tanween is kha, and kha is from the letters of throat, from the letters of al-huruf al-halaqiyya. We call them al-huruf al-halaqiyya, the letters of throat, because they all 6 come out from throat. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. These 6 letters come from the throat. There are